Good morning and welcome back to our channel. We are Sam and Nick, and today we're doing something so special. We're checking out the cherry blossoms in this epic Hirosaki Castle here in northern Japan. We are currently on a 10-day journey through this amazing country in search for the best places to find the cherry blossoms. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us around Japan and the rest of the world.
Don't look down.
It is our first full day here in Aomori, Japan, but we are going to the Hirosaki Castle, where it's supposed to be the most epic place to see the cherry blossoms in all of Japan. And 30 minutes later, we are here at the Hirosaki station, where now we need to get on a bus.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice.
If we were here a week ago, this would have been in the prime blossom. So the cherry blossom tree starts as like a pink flower, and then it turns to white, and then they fall off. So they're in the last stages of blossoming, so we're very lucky, very, very lucky, because on the way here, a lot of the trees were past, so we were kind of not hopeful, but how beautiful that is. Even if there were no flowers on any of the trees, I still feel very lucky to be here. And we just walked in. We still have so much to see.
The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Online, it says that the end of April is the best time of year to visit Aomori if you want to see the beautiful cherry blossoms. This year, however, everything bloomed a little bit earlier than expected, but I still feel very grateful that even at the end of April, where it usually is in full bloom, that we get this beautiful backdrop of amazing cherry blossoms. Most of them are on like the very tail end of their bloom, but still, I mean, like, even if we got one, just this one, do you see this? Like, I just gotta show you this. Watch, I'm gonna walk through. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. So beautiful. This castle is snowing because when all of the cherry blossom petals are falling down, they're like this white color, and it just feels like it's snowing with like petals. So beautiful. I love this. I can imagine when it's at full bloom, like in pink full bloom everywhere, it's unbelievable. But this is still pretty cool to see this.
I wonder how old these trees are, because I'm willing to bet they're older than the country we are from. This is the bridge right here. This is the bridge I saw, and that is the photo I saw, and this is the whole reason how I found this place, because this photo right behind me. Now it's with the bridge, and when this is in full bloom, you can only imagine what this looks like. Boom, we're going to the castle and the botanical. 520 yen per person. Let's go.
This castle was built in 1611, but something happened to it, so now it's not the actual original castle. In 1627, a lightning struck on the castle and burned the castle down. So they reconstructed it in the 1800s, and it's about 70 meters away from where it originally was. But I just found that so interesting, like that a lightning strike burnt down the entire 5-story castle. But it's still like very old. In the early 1800s was when this one was built.
So we've made it past the castle and we're going towards the botanical gardens, which everything feels like a botanical garden here. But there's an area where 2 trees at the peak of season grow together in the shape of a heart, and it's called the Sakura Heart. And I think we're past it, but we're gonna go attempt to see it if it's still there, if we can make any shape of it. So we just read that the citizens of the Hirosaki town started donating to the cherry blossom trees here, and there are over 2,600 cherry blossom trees in the Hirosaki Park, and there are 52 different kinds of species. I thought there were only 4, but apparently there are 52 in this park alone, and it's all because the Hirosaki citizens donated to this. So thank you. So thank you to you that made this possible, because this is definitely the most beautiful place in all of Japan to see cherry blossoms. Okay, we have been here for some hours now, and the sun has finally come out when we finished the whole park. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming along with us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments. If there's somewhere else we should have gone to see the cherry blossoms, because this is supposed to be the most epic place in Japan to see cherry blossoms. Tomorrow we're going to be taking the ferry from Aomori to Hakodate, which I have been looking forward to for so long. I don't know why this ferry is so hyped up in my head, but I'm super looking forward to it. I believe it's going to be beautiful. The weather's going to be magnificent, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Again, thanks for sticking around with us today, and until next time, we'll see you on the go. Still so confused by the ticket thing. I had to insert my ticket and scan my Suica card at the same time. How would you have known that? If you saw our last video, if you saw our previous videos about how we went to a 1,000-year-old tree, because
Online, it says that this time of year, at the very end of April, is the best time of year to visit Aomori. Good morning and welcome back to our channel. We're Sam and Nick, and today we're at Hirosaki Castle for one specific reason: to see the amazing cherry blossoms. No, I messed that up. Good morning and welcome back to our channel. We are Sam and Nick, and today we're in Hirosaki Castle in Japan. Good morning and welcome back to our channel. We're Sam and Nick, and today we're at Hirosaki Castle in Aomori.
Aomori. You don't even say Aomori, just saying Hirosaki, Japan. That's the city.
Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today we